Yeah, basically, right now, as soon as the engineering releases job to fabric, what you call purchasing, amazingly, she can release the job once they get from engineering to her to the fabricator. Within 3 or 4 days, she can do that. Before, she has to print out. Engineering will make the drawing, make the package. She has to make a copy of the package, and then if there any missing parts, everything else, send it back to the to fabricator. It was a long time for verification because everything was done manually.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can, like I said, as soon as the engineering released it, within 2 or 3 days, fabricator got all the drawings, everything else.
And then also something else, even like, and this may not go to the question, but even like in the parts department before, in FoxPro, they just had the data of what the cost may be. They had to generate a costing sheet and then a quote and then sending it out. And now all the information's in the system. The OmegaCube system also generates the quote itself. So there's a PDF and sending out a PDF to the customer. So what may take a couple hours per inquiry is done in, let's say, 10, 15 minutes per inquiry. So it's a huge time savings for the parts department.